Hello, welcome to Blessings, Aroma and Beauty. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. And also, don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to watch my new videos. Thank you. And in today's video, I am going to be making this cute donut. Yep, we are in the Christmas season, so trust me, these are the colors of the season. And trust me, kids love this donut right here. I use Christmas cookie cutters to make it, so let's go. And I'm going to start by cracking one egg. So please keep watching, and also the rest of the ingredients are as follow. Pretty much simple ingredients, easy to get, and trust me, this donut right here is super yummy. And the most special thing about this is the kids love it, and it's not too much like sweet, that kind of thing. It's not that much sweet, it's mild and also yummy, and it's just awesome. So make sure you got some on your Christmas table. Thank you. Now just go ahead and add the flour. And now I'm gonna use my hand to work it out. I'm gonna cover the dough and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Yep. And now I'm gonna divide the dough into two, and then work on the half. I will just roll on it and use those Christmas cookie cutters, to instead of using those round thing that we use for the donut, I'm using the Christmas cookie cutters. It makes it more attractive, with the kids and everything, and also the sprinkles that will come with it. It's fun. It's fine. It's really good. And after I am done cutting the donuts, I'm I'm going to allow it to rest to double the size before baking it. It's time for baking. And look at how beautiful it is looking. So I'm using this white chocolate, melted white chocolate, yes, for the topping, and then I'll just use the sprinkles on top. That's it. All set. All set. And trust me, you cannot go wrong with this right here. It's super quick and also easy to make. And I'm using this, chocolate just to decorate it a little bit to look more attractive and cute, and it put through. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to watch my new videos. God bless you and be with you. Or don't forget to check out my other videos as well. And also, let's keep going, okay? I love you guys. God bless you all. Happy holiday. Bye.